Since 2010, PowerStream has been a leader in implementing smart grid technologies and showcasing new ways to deliver electricity reliably to its customers. Now, PowerStream is taking the next step in how energy can be provided to Ontario consumers with the launch of its microgrid demonstration project. Most energy in Ontario is delivered through the provincial grid, a large-scale electrical delivery system that sends energy across the province. To make the provincial grid more efficient, Ontario is implementing a smart grid system to send electricity where it is most needed in times of peak usage, and to bring new sources of power generation on and offline instantly. A microgrid works in the same way as the large-scale grid, but on a local level. Microgrids bring energy production closer to the end user by using locally generated or stored power from a mix of clean and renewable sources to supply local energy needs. An energy management system is then used to direct the energy produced to where it is needed, to ensure it is used to maximum efficiency. Thanks to Ontario's smart grid system, the microgrid provides the flexibility to be connected or disconnected from the provincial grid as or when required. The smart grid also makes it possible for the microgrid to feed electricity it generates back into the Ontario grid. For consumers, a microgrid will deliver power safely and reliably to their specific area or community. It will allow end users the flexibility to tap into cleaner types of power generation to meet their needs and feed excess electricity back into the Ontario grid.
We believe that the microgrid is the next step forward in Ontario's energy future. That's why we built the PowerStream microgrid demonstration project here at our head office in Vaughan. The microgrid demonstration project is a two-phase initiative that will evaluate the microgrid's effectiveness as an alternative energy supplier for PowerStream's head office. It will test the ability to utilize different power sources and storage while delivering safe, reliable service.
The heart of the microgrid demonstration project is the Microgrid Management Unit. This unit allows PowerStream to see where energy is being generated and how that energy is being used. It also enables PowerStream to direct energy flow and to bring alternative energy sources on or offline as desired. The microgrid generates its energy through a combination of clean and renewable sources: solar panels, a natural gas generator, and wind turbines. It also has 3 different types of energy storage technologies to store extra power, which would help meet the energy need when demand is high. In Phase 1 of the project, PowerStream will be using its microgrid to provide electricity for the building's lighting, air conditioning, and refrigeration. The microgrid will also be used to power the charging stations for PowerStream's fleet of electric vehicles, and to maintain a steady charge in the microgrid's own storage batteries. PowerStream's goal in this phase is to test the microgrid to see how well it functions when disconnected from the provincial grid, operated in isolation, and then reconnected. In Phase 2 of the project, additional sources of power generation will be added to the demonstration. This will enable PowerStream to further test the microgrid's ability to dispatch power back to Ontario's grid in a secure and reliable manner.
Microgrid technology is an innovative way to offer Ontario consumers choices about how they generate and consume energy. Together with smart grid technology, microgrid development can help keep Ontario's energy flowing, bringing it to the businesses and consumers who need it, while providing new jobs and opportunities to create a sustainable future for energy in Ontario.
Knowing that we have reliable power, knowing that it comes from green sources, these things are important. Knowing that it can be generated locally. This gives me the confidence that we can create a better and healthier future, not only for ourselves, but for our children.
At PowerStream, we believe that microgrids can help create a safe, sustainable, and reliable energy future for the province of Ontario. Our project will showcase the power of microgrids and demonstrate how innovative, smart technologies can help build and support Ontario's energy sector.
PowerStream. leading the way to our energy future.